Welcome to all. Myself Vaibhav Deshmukh, and I am coming here to giving the presentation on the concrete mix using geofiber under the guidance of the P. Dongre ma'am, and my team members are Monica Bokde, Bhagyesh Jangle, and Athara Bondre.
Course outcome mapping. Prepare the concrete of desired compressive strength. Prepare concrete of requires specifications. Understand the barrier and the failure made different concrete member. Understand, analyze and apply the result in designing various concrete members of structure. Apply the knowledge and skills in practical problems. Programs outcome mapping. PO1 basic knowledge, PO2 discipline knowledge, PO3 experiments and practice, PO4 engineering and tools, PO5 engineering and society, PO6 individual teamwork, PO9 communication, PO10 lifelong learning. PSO1 construction planning and designing, PSO2 construction execution and maintenance. These are the contents of our presentation. Over here present work, literature review, concrete mix design, observation, results, conclusion, recommendation and references. Introduction. Concrete is most utilized construction material. Concrete mix design is the art of determining relative proportions of ingredients of concrete to achieve desired compressive strength of concrete. There are various methods to find out design methods like Indian Standard Method, ACI methods, British mix design method. These methods is basically based on graphs, chart, bar, tables, etc. All developed countries as well as many developing countries has their standardized mix design methods. Next slide explained by Asama.
Problem identification. In addition to correcting problem, the difficulty usually expressed in the encourage of the mix design and assessment of workability. Workability has been used to qualitatively describe the easy with concrete can be mixed transport and compact and finish. It is inside usually good special inside usually special express and slump test result together assess for workability. Arise in the concrete mix design is the water cement ratio of satisfied for required property. Next time. Objective to determine the proportion of concrete mixed constituent of cement for fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water to produce concrete of the specified properties to achieve desirable workability of plastic stage to achieve desired durability in the given environmental condition. Scope of the work. The concrete grade of 20 bars used during the preparation of the concrete mixture and of the usage normal concrete of 0.1% of glass fiber. Adding fiber is concrete improvement, increase toughness, increase ductility and friction rates, higher and more stable tension, increase resistance. Next time. Review and literature. This chapter present all the work done by various researchers for concrete mix design, mixing and geofiber. Extensive literature is available on environmental study, experimental study for mix design. However, few literature of mix design using geofiber. The research paper of literature collected as a mixed below. Ganesh list concrete mix design.
As per IS 456 and IS 1343/1980 code, the design of the concrete mix depends on the following factors: The grade of concrete, types of cement, maximum nominal size of the aggregates, grading of the combined aggregates, the maximum water cement ratio, workability and stability, and the quality controls. Next slide. Indian standard method for the concrete mix design. In the present, the IS design method has been used for developing the mix design data. The IS design method has been discussed briefly in the following step. The target means the strength of the mix design is calculated. Water cement ratio can be found out from the graph showing in the relation between strength and water cement ratio. The third point is the air content is estimated from the table from the nominal, maximum, and the size of aggregated used. The water content is the present of the fines and the total aggregates volume is determined by the maximum size of the aggregates. Next slide. The cement content per unit volume of the concrete may be calculated from the free water cement ratio and the per unit volume. The calculation of the aggregate using by this formula. Next slide. Observation. Concrete mixing of the concrete, casting and the curing of the test specimen. Concrete mixer was a product in the pan-type mixer. Immediately after the mixing, the weight density of the concrete was determined. A number of the standard 100 mm diameter by 200 mm diameter high cylindrical were cast in the scale. Mold of the compressive strength, the testing and water was permeability test on the hardness concrete and approximately edges. For the combination of the previous concrete and the mortar, previous concrete and the previous mortar was mixed separately and 80 mm thick 300 mm two specimen were cast for each other bag and the same standard specimen was cast for determining the compressive strength of water permeability and dry shrinkage. Hand compaction was done by the tempering rod. All these specimens are determined demolded after 24 hours of storing in the water of the room temperature 20 degrees Celsius until testing. Next slide. Compressive testing for the previous mortar 50 mm cube were used for the strain testing. Both sides of the specimen were applied capped with the dental plaster and the compressive strength of the represented the average of the three result from the three identical specimen. After removing the specimen, still mold the specimen cured in the air at room temperature until the date of 7 days and 28 days. Then next, the specimen were tested for the compressive strength using the compressive testing capacity of the 1000 kg. The test was carried out on the three specimens and the average compressive strength values are recorded. The compressive strength was conducted in the accordance with the producer outline in PS 6717 1:1993. Next slide. The images of the at the time of making the concrete tubes and this is the CTM. It means as the compressive testing machine. And the next slide will be shown as our team member Bhagyashree Jangle.
Comparison of plain and fiber concrete. The compressive strength was conducted on the specimen as per the IS code 516/1959. The observation show the increase in the compressive strength is up to 0 to 15%. In case of adding 0.1% of fiber content in compared to conventional concrete. Table shows variation of compressive strength of concrete after 7 and 28 days respectively. It is evident from the table that compressive strength gets increased in the addition of fiber. Next slide. This table shows the addition of fiber. The grade of concrete is M20. Water cement is 0.45% of glass fiber 0. Then the compressive strength gets in 7 days 13.5 and in 28 days 20 and 20 in addition of 0.1% of fiber 7 days the compressive strength in concrete is 17.38 and in 28 days that is 25. This chart shows the increasing strength of concrete. Next slide. Conclusion and recommendation. Next. Concrete, the composite material consists of aggregate held together by the hydraulic cementing agent has been known to Asian civilization for engineer who is working in laboratory testing works. The stepwise method is very simple to understand and also it fulfill to student who is going to the degree. Concrete mix design is economically proportioning of concrete ingredient for better strength and durability test on construction site. Next slide. The enhanced property of concrete which use demolished waste glass is used as a glass fiber. Studies on durability aspect of concrete with fiber in adverse corrosion. More parameter studies carried out by changing the percentage of fibers and grade of concrete. Displacement and control-based experiment on RCC beams. The durability aspect and interaction of glass fiber with concrete in micro level are in progress. Also analyze the possibility of formation of new complex chemical compound. Next slide. These are the reference which are used in the study of concrete mix design by using geofiber.